Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Java records are a feature introduced in Java 14 as a preview and became a standard feature in Java 16. They provide a compact syntax for declaring classes that are primarily used to hold data. One of the key features of records is their canonical constructor, which is automatically generated by the compiler based on the fields defined in the record. ####. What is a Java record? A record in Java is a special kind of class that is a quick way to create data-carrying classes. A record automatically provides implementations of the equals, hashcode, and tostring methods, making it easier to work with data types without having to write boilerplate code. ####. Canonical constructor. The canonical constructor is the constructor automatically created by the Java compiler for the record, which takes all the fields as parameters. You can also define your own canonical constructor if you want to add some validation or transformation logic. ####. Basic structure of a record. Here's how you can define a basic record. In this example, person is a record with two fields, name and age. ####. Using the canonical constructor. When you create an instance of a record using the canonical constructor, you can do it like this. The output will be #### custom canonical constructor. You can define a custom canonical constructor to add additional validation or processing. Here is an example. #### example with custom logic. Let's see a full example including the custom canonical constructor. #### explanation of the code. 1 record declaration. The person record is declared with two fields, name and age. 2 custom constructor logic. Inside the canonical constructor, we perform checks on the age and name parameters to ensure they meet certain criteria. Example: age cannot be negative, name cannot be null or empty. 3 main class. In the main class, we create a valid person object and print it. We also attempt to create an invalid person, which throws an illegal argument exception, demonstrating how the custom validation works. #### Conclusion. Java records provide a concise way to create data classes with built-in functionality for common methods. The canonical constructor allows for easy initialization while still enabling you to add validation and custom logic as needed. This feature is particularly useful in scenarios where data integrity and immutability are important, such as in functional programming paradigms or when working with APIs.